Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast BMW chapter. Hope you're doing good tonight. Hey, this is a real quick update, so just to let you know, hey, let's talk about 3 or 4 events coming up this Saturday. Cars and Coffee, BMW Fort Myers, and kudos out to our general manager Dan and our service manager there, Claude. We're going to do a walkthrough in the shop this Saturday morning, so get there, get your coffee, get your donuts, and visit with everybody, and then boom, we're going to go take a walk, stroll back through the service department. Not many people get a chance to get in, particularly while it's an active shop, but we're going to get a tour this Saturday, so come on and join us. The coffee will be good, I promise you. Next Saturday, we're going to drive out to the Seminole, Museum, and to the, we're going to have lunch out there, take a tour of the museum and the drive. So come and join us. Anthony and Deb will put that together. That's on the 23rd. The 27th is the cruise, and I know if you probably hadn't signed up for that cruise yet, I don't know if there's any space left. So looking forward to see some pictures from that event, and I really hate the fact that I'm not able to join it this year, but hopefully next year. And that's a little something different. So John Schneider put that together, and looking forward to see the pics from that one. That's going to be really cool. And then coming up December the 7th is Sebring. There is no Cars and Coffee in Sarasota on the 7th because everybody that's handling that is going to Sebring. So get online. We have a link in our RSVP. You have to do 2 things. RSVP to us so we know you're coming, so we know what kind of food to get. And then secondly, go in and into the Sebring link and buy your tickets, $30. And you get total access to the track. We'll be in turns 15 and 16 for our usual corral. And we're cooking for everybody, so lunch is on us, and it's a great way to sort of go into the holiday season, if you will. Looking forward to that. I think it's like our 10th, 11th, 12th year that we're doing this, and I know we have a bunch of annual folks that just come out, and it's a lot of fun. There's a track drive on, the whole 9 yards, so it's a lot of fun. Come on and be with us. Sort of our last big hoorah before the Christmas break. We're working on our annual dinner. Date to be determined, but we're pretty close. Next week's research will sort of end that up, and then we'll give you details on our annual dinner. And we got a really cool thing for the end of this year. I'll leak the word simulators, and then we'll tell you more about that. So it should be a lot of fun. Looking forward to that. But first, we got a lot of holidays and things to do. Let me tell you about something that. Many of you know that our mantra is we have cars that bring us together, but it's really the relationships. It's sort of our mantra. The relationships bring us back again and again, and over time we just build great relationships with people, and you get pretty close to them. It's probably one of the best friendship networks I've ever had in my entire life and in my entire career. We lost one of our great members this past week. Many of you know Tom Klee. Tom and Nancy. Tom succumbed to an illness, short-term illness, and this past week, and I got to tell you, it's just ripped our hearts out. For those folks that know Tom, just a very giving guy. Drove the Z8 like it should be driven, the i8 and the 540. Just very, very top-class individual. I got to tell you, my heart's hurting. It's probably one of the toughest things for me to go through when we lose a member and we know about it. And it's happened over the years, and those people never leave you. Tom's just one of those remarkable folks that I'll never forget. He touched my life and will always be a part of my life until my life's over. It's just how that is. Nancy, if you get to see this, we love you. Our prayers are with you and the family, the children and nieces and all that kind of stuff. So just anything that we can do, we'll do that. So please, if you knew Tom, then you know what I'm talking about and the closest of it. Put Nancy and the family in your prayers, and that's all I can say right now. I'll leave it at that. Please come on out to Cars and Coffee this Saturday. Let's raise a coffee to Tom's memory, and we'll talk about some really good times. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. Be safe. Thank you very much. Bye.